In this video, we'll be selecting rows with just the brackets using slice notation. So this is, again, another selection that I do not recommend. Let's read in our bikes data frame here. And so I'm going to show you the ways I do suggest selecting data that's with the brackets. So we know how to select a single column using a string. If we want to select multiple columns, we use a list of strings. If we want to do Boolean selection, we create a Boolean series first and then pass in that Boolean series into the brackets like that. Now, there's another way to select rows, believe it or not, with just the brackets. So, and you could use slice notation. So say we want to select rows 40 to 50, going by every other one. You can actually put a slice in here and it will select by rows. Again, this is operator overloading that we talked about earlier. So depending on what is passed to just the brackets, a different action will be taken. So to me, this is a little bit ambiguous. It's hard to remember this rule, which is why I like using loc and iloc whenever possible, because those are more explicit, and you know that the row selection comes first and then the column selection. With just the brackets, you can select columns and you can select rows, but I really don't recommend using slice notation. It just gets very confusing. If you want to do this, I would just use iloc for integer location or loc for label-based location. And remember, the rows come first and then the columns. I just didn't put any column selection here, so it has selected all of the columns. So I avoid this selecting with the rows using slice notation with the brackets.